Hey, guys, welcome to Consultant Mindset. I hope you are doing great. As we are already well aware of the fact that human is an interactive species. We run on interaction and socializing with our fellow humans. We have been doing this for so long now. There are many pieces of research related to human interaction. Some of them are explained in this video. Are you a social animal? Do you feel comfortable interacting with others? If yes, let me know in the comments section. Let's proceed with the video. There is a well-known phenomenon called social buffering. This mechanism explains that you feel less stressed around your parents, siblings, or spouses. The human body has a specific pathway by which the production of stress hormones is regulated. The stress hormones are released in a state of agitation and trouble. Their effect can be neutralized with happy hormones. The human body is designed in this way to act according to the environment. A stressful environment induces the production of stress hormones. Higher levels of stress hormones weaken our immune system. It makes us more vulnerable to diseases. You guys might have already heard the name happy hormones, right? If not, then I will elaborate on it for you. Happy hormones are released in the state of joy and cheerfulness in our bodies. It makes us feel refreshed and delighted. The feeling of contentment is incomparable to any of the feelings in this world. According to some research done by scientists, it has been found out that spending time with family has reduced stress levels in the human body. Some moments of joy spent with siblings, parents, and spouses have been found to increase the level of happy hormones in the body. What more can we ask for? This happiness doesn't come from buying materials or places. It is specifically linked to parents, siblings, and spouses. It is better for you all to maintain healthy relationships with them. What about romance, folks? I guess everyone likes a little bit of romance in their lives. Like, who doesn't appreciate unexpected surprises from their spouses? Everyone can feel delighted with such romantic acts of joy. Have you guys ever felt a butterfly stomach? This is a common feeling among spouses. Butterfly stomach is a sensational feeling most commonly related to sexual passion. So yeah, this feeling is eventually increasing our happy hormones, making you feel like a queen or a king. The most important fact about this social buffering is that it increases your lifespan. How is it done? When you are in healthy relationships, you are less likely to feel stressed. It doesn't mean that healthy relationships never have to face problems. They have the ability to encounter and successfully overcome those troubles with the support of each other. Even if those partners fall apart, they stand up again. Eventually strengthens your bond and makes you feel less worried about the troubles. Such healthy relations keep you away from many cardiovascular problems and mental issues. Cuddles, kisses, and hugs have been found to decrease stress levels. According to scientists, marriage is good. But it can be utterly painful if a healthy relationship is not maintained. Healthy relations are linked to long-lasting lives. Whereas loneliness, depression, and anxiety are major players in decreasing your lifespans. There were some experiments done by scientists that clearly depict the linkage between happiness and healthy relationships. The experiment was conducted on 40 married couples. Those having healthy relations were found to have low weights, whereas toxic and unhealthy couples showed normal weights. Healthy relationship couples burnt more calories than unhealthy ones. Marriages full of conflicts affect your body's work. Since our whole video is based on having a good relationship, how can we do that? Always express your emotions. Never feel ashamed of expressing them. Communication is key to healthy relationships. Always try to sort things out. Assuming things spoil your relations. Respect each other. We have this false misconception that all we need is love for a successful marriage. However, it is not entirely correct. A good marriage requires respect, emotions, and communication. Setting boundaries and respecting each other's boundaries makes your relationship go longer. Reflect and learn. Analyze your relationships. If it is not working out, then find out the root cause. If you are feeling angry all the time, it's better to analyze if there is something wrong going on in your relationship. Reflect upon yourself and try to modify your behaviors. In this way, there are greater chances of things working out. Commitment. Committing yourself to others is important. That way you can maintain the loyalty and can maintain trust. Commitment should not be harmed in any gains or losses. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more interesting videos.